What sets successful entrepreneurs apart? They possess a unique blend of personal attributes, professional skills, and strategic thinking. This video explores the essential skills and qualities that contribute to entrepreneurial success. Successful entrepreneurs are risk takers, willing to pursue opportunities despite uncertainty. Resilience and perseverance help them overcome setbacks. Creativity and innovation allow them to create unique solutions. Examples include Elon Musk and J.K. Rowling. These attributes are foundational for entrepreneurial success. Entrepreneurs need effective leadership and team management skills. Financial acumen is crucial for sustaining a business. Marketing and sales skills help promote products and generate revenue. Jeff Bezos and Warren Buffett exemplify these skills. These are vital for business growth and sustainability. Opportunity recognition is key for entrepreneurs to identify market needs. Strategic planning involves setting goals and outlining steps. Problem-solving skills are essential for overcoming challenges. Bill Gates and Reed Hastings are examples of strategic thinkers. These skills drive long-term success. Networking builds a strong support system for entrepreneurs. Negotiation skills help achieve favorable outcomes. Customer focus ensures products meet market demands. Oprah Winfrey and Mark Cuban excel in these areas. These skills enhance business relationships and success. Entrepreneurs come in various forms, each with unique goals. Small business entrepreneurs focus on local markets. Lifestyle entrepreneurs align businesses with personal passions. High-growth entrepreneurs seek rapid expansion. Each type plays a distinct role in the economy. They start and manage their own businesses, focusing on local markets. These businesses have limited scale and personal investment. They are community-oriented, serving local needs. A local bakery owner exemplifies this type. They build strong community relationships. These entrepreneurs create businesses that align with personal interests. They prioritize work-life balance over financial gain. Their businesses are often non-scalable. A travel blogger is an example. They focus on passion-driven ventures. They aim to build scalable businesses with significant growth potential. Innovation-driven, they seek rapid market expansion. They often require external funding. Founders of tech startups like Uber exemplify this type. They focus on capturing large market shares. These individuals leverage industry expertise to start businesses. They focus on niche markets within their field. They use strong professional networks to grow their business. Consultants starting their own firm are examples. They provide specialized services. Serial entrepreneurs repeatedly start and sell businesses. They thrive on the process of building new ventures. They have a strong risk appetite. Elon Musk is a notable example. They are experienced in multiple ventures. Also known as intrapreneurs, they innovate within corporations. They leverage company resources to create new products. They focus on new product development. Managers leading new product lines exemplify this type. They drive innovation within existing structures. They start businesses to address social issues. They focus on creating positive social impact. They develop sustainable business models. Mohammed Yunus of Grameen Bank is an example. They prioritize mission-driven ventures. Entrepreneurs focus on innovation and business creation. Managers ensure stability and operational efficiency. Entrepreneurs take high risks, while managers minimize them. Entrepreneurs are visionaries. Managers are strategic planners. Both roles are essential for business success. Entrepreneurs excel in risk-taking and opportunity analysis. They are creative and innovative. They possess strong leadership and communication skills. They are committed and resilient. These skills drive their business ventures. Managers excel in organizing and optimizing operations. They focus on stability and efficiency. They are data-driven decision makers. They motivate teams through structured approaches. Their skills ensure business continuity. Identifying new business opportunities is crucial. Entrepreneurs generate ideas and apply relevant models. This involves systematic exploration of services, products, and models. Techniques like brainstorming and market research aid this process. It lays the foundation for a successful venture. Peter Drucker identified 7 sources of innovation. These include unexpected events and incongruities. Process needs and market structure changes are also sources. Demographics and changes in perception drive innovation. New knowledge is a powerful innovation source. Applying Drucker's sources generates entrepreneurial ideas. Examples include on-demand repair apps and virtual reality fitness. Sustainable fashion and telemedicine platforms are also ideas. These ideas address unmet needs and leverage trends. Each has potential for significant impact. Brand development is key for launching a new venture. It involves aligning the brand with business strategy. Understanding target customers guides brand positioning. Creating a strong visual identity enhances brand recognition. Effective content marketing builds trust and engagement. In conclusion, understanding the skills and qualities of a successful entrepreneur is essential for recognizing what it takes to thrive in the competitive world of business. Entrepreneurs must demonstrate creativity, resilience, leadership, problem-solving ability, and strong communication skills. They also rely on qualities such as determination, adaptability, risk-taking, and a proactive mindset to overcome challenges and seize opportunities. By developing these traits, aspiring entrepreneurs can enhance their ability to innovate, build successful ventures, and navigate the uncertainties of entrepreneurship with confidence. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.